Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious bacon sandwich at home. First, gather your ingredients, including your preferred type of bacon, bread, and any desired condiments like mayonnaise or lettuce. Next, decide on your cooking method for the bacon, whether you prefer pan frying for crispiness or baking for even cooking. Ensure your bread is ready, perhaps lightly toasted, to complement the warm bacon. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect sandwich. Now let's cook that bacon to perfection. If pan frying, place strips in a cold skillet and cook over medium heat, turning frequently for even crispness. For baking, lay bacon on a wire rack over a baking sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Remember to drain the cooked bacon on paper towels to remove excess grease, ensuring a less oily and more enjoyable sandwich experience. This step is key for that satisfying crunch. With your bacon perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your bread to your preference. A golden brown adds a wonderful texture. Next, spread your favorite condiments such as mayonnaise, mustard, or a touch of avocado on both slices of bread. Finally, arrange the crispy bacon strips generously on one slice, then top with the other. Feel free to add fresh lettuce or tomato for extra flavor and crunch. Your delicious homemade bacon sandwich is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm to experience the full flavor and texture of the crispy bacon and toasted bread. This classic comfort food is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a satisfying snack. For an even more complete meal, consider adding a side of fresh fruit or a small green salad. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers. Along with other great deals, enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.